Hey guys, today in this quick tutorial we're gonna have a look how to add in custom footer, something like right here from this page to right here. So as you can see right here, this is a custom footer. All right, so let me show you how it's done. So first thing, we just come here, it's a page layout panel, and click downward arrow to bring the pocket menu. So the second thing, head over to header and footer, then click custom footer. Then from this panel, the second last one, so it's a picture. Click here. So next is the file. It could be our image file, PNG, or our GIF file. All right, so you need to locate the file location. All right, so for me it's from my computer, from the file. So this is the one we are gonna use. So just click insert, then click OK. Then we're gonna previews. Click here. Okay, all right. So we didn't replace this. So instead, what we did is we are just adding on another footer. All right. So actually, we need to replace from here. Instead of here, we're gonna replace with this one. All right. We're gonna replace this with this. Okay. Let me do it again. So to do that, we go back right here. Then head over again, custom folder. Okay, so this one we're gonna delete out. So we wanna replace the right section only. So click here, then replace, go back again, click here, then click OK, then preview. So here we are. But the folder look too small compared to the page, the cover page. So we need to increase the size. So to do that, same thing. We just go back this panel right here. Same thing, same thing. This time we need to select right here. So to select that, so you just click left click and put it down. All right. So then the last icons is a format picture. Click here. So here is here we can change the size. Can either change specific number, or maybe we can change like twice as big as before. So twice, that means 200 times 200. Okay, let's see. Okay, print preview. Okay, I think that is just right for this cover. Okay, this is it for this quick tutorial. If you find this content useful, consider subscribe, like, and share. Okay, see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.